President Buhari don present the 2022 appropriation bill to the National Assembly after the Federal Executive Council approve am. The Federal Executive Council don approve make President Buhari carry the 16.39 trillion naira 2022 budget go the National Assembly. After the council meeting, the Minister of Finance and Budget Planning, Zainab Ahmed, come follow tori pipo yarn about some things wey dey inside the budget, plus she come shook mouth for the way Naija take dey borrow money.
For the 2022 budget, the assumptions and targets that we submitted to Council and Council noted and approved is that we'll be pricing oil at $57 per barrel, that there will be an oil production of 1.88 million barrels per day. The exchange rate will be 410 naira, 15 kobo to $1, and that the total oil revenue will be 315 trillion naira, while total non-oil revenue will be 2.13 trillion. Federal government independent revenue will be 1.82 trillion. Total federal government revenue will be 10.13 trillion for the 2022 budget period.
President Buhari come present the bill give joint section of the National Assembly. He first thank the House as they take pass the 2021 supplementary bill. President Buhari come give the breakdown of the budget to the House. The theme of the budget na economic growth and sustainability, with total of 16.29 trillion naira, and it go still dey financed by new borrowing of 5.01 trillion naira.
Our target over the medium term is to grow our revenue to GDP ratio from about 8% currently to 15% by 2025. At that level of revenue, the debt service to revenue ratio will cease to be worrying. Put simply, we do not have a debt sustainability problem, but a revenue challenge which we are determined to tackle. Some have expressed concern over our resort to borrowing to finance our fiscal gaps. They are right to be concerned. However, we believe that the debt level of the federal government is still within sustainable limits. Borrowing at specific strategic projects and can be verified publicly. Very importantly, we have endeavored to use the loans to finance critical development projects and programs aimed at improving our economic environment and ensuring effective delivery of public services to our people.
This na the ogbonge informate when TMC News carry come give una. From Abuja, Pentecost Ogurure.